How do military regulations differ from civilian laws? Imagine living in a world where rules are not just about what's right or wrong but are tailored to keep a very specific system running smoothly. That's what it's like in the armed forces. Today, we're going to see how military regulations are different from the laws that govern civilians. You might think laws are the same everywhere, but in the military, the rules are built to keep order in a very unique environment. Civilian laws are made to protect everyday people, keep communities safe, and settle disputes fairly. They focus on justice, individual rights, and fairness for everyone. Military regulations, on the other hand, are all about discipline, obedience, and readiness. They help ensure soldiers follow commands, stay cohesive, and can operate under stressful conditions. The legal systems are also different. Civilian laws are managed by courts and law enforcement agencies at local, state, and federal levels. Military law is governed by a separate system called the Uniform Code of Military Justice. This code applies only to active duty service members, whether they are on base, deployed overseas, or on leave. Civilian laws do not apply to military personnel, even if they are on a military installation. When it comes to offenses, civilians are subject to laws like theft, assault, or vandalism. Military personnel must obey these laws too but also face military-specific offenses. These include failure to obey lawful orders, desertion, mutiny, malingering, which is pretending to be sick to avoid duty, and conduct unbecoming an officer. These rules help maintain discipline and hierarchy within the armed forces. The way cases are handled also differs. Civilian cases go to civilian courts with judges and juries. Military cases are tried in courts-martial, which are military courts with military judges and prosecutors. Courts-martial can be summary, special, or general, depending on how serious the offense is. Unlike civilian courts, military courts do not have mistrials. Once a case is decided, it's final within the military system. The chain of command plays a big role in military justice. Military investigations often involve agencies like the Criminal Investigation Division or the Naval Criminal Investigative Service. Commanders can initiate disciplinary actions and oversee investigations, making discipline a part of the military's structure. Military law applies to active duty members, reservists when called up, National Guard members under federal orders, and sometimes retired personnel. It covers conduct both on and off duty, whether in the United States or abroad. Civilian law applies to all citizens and residents within its jurisdiction but does not cover military-specific rules. Living in the armed forces means understanding that you are part of two legal worlds. You must follow civilian laws as a citizen but also adhere to military regulations that govern your professional and personal conduct. This dual system influences daily routines, career choices, and personal rights. Knowing the difference helps service members stay compliant and prepared for the unique environment they live and work in.